welcome to the Reunion Resort here. We're about 15 minutes from Disney. Come on in. I'm going to show you a great house today. Again, we are in the Reunion Resort. We're only 15 minutes from Walt Disney World. This is the RVH 007 on magicalvacationhomes.com. By the way, did I say my name is Libby? All right, guys. So this is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath. As you can see, very wide open space. This house is new to our program, so we're really excited about it. We love what this owner did, the color schemes, everything. So as you can see, lots of space. You have your TV, a nice sitting area, and nice sitting area behind you as well. And you can see your kitchen, which we can talk about a little later as well. But I do want to show you guys something that I think we all come to Florida for, right? You come to Florida for the sunshine and the pool. So let's take a look outside. Now, just so you know, all of our homes will either have a pool alarm or pool fence. This one happens to have both. So we're going to press that before we open the door so our alarm will not sound. Come on out and let's take a look at the pool deck. The beautiful Florida winter day. Can you believe it? It's still winter. So take a look. So you can see the pool fence that I was telling you about. Again, all about safety for your kids. Of course, you can take this down if you'd like. This home features your own grill, so it is going to be included in the rental. And you can see there's plenty of loungers out here for the family to enjoy the sunny day, as well as that fire pit over there for the cool evenings. Kids can swim, have fun, and even shoot some basketball there. But I love this area. Nice. Oh, what I do like about this area as well is you have privacy behind you. You are on the golf course there, but as you can see, plenty of space if you want to walk around in the evenings. All right, so let's go back inside. Take a look. You guys notice the sign? How cute is that? So you'll never get lost at this house. You'll know exactly where you are in Florida. Where should we go? Where should we go? I think I want to go Disney World. Okay, so we're going to head back in, and I want to show you guys the kitchen that we were just talking about. After you.
Thank you.
Come back in. Yes, you can see your kitchen area over here. Again, nice sitting area. You want to have a nice meal together in the evenings. I love the chandeliers. Look at the lighting. Nice, right? So all of our kitchens will come fully equipped. So anything that you want to cook, go for it. It's all here for you. We have a washer and dryer as well right behind you. Who wants to wash clothes? But in case you do, it's here. So everything's fully equipped again for you. And look what this owner has done. Check it out. Margaritas, anyone? I love that addition. Something special in all of our houses. Absolutely. So look for those little hidden gems. Look at this room. How exciting is this? Very nice. Pool table. But look at the theme. Alright, so we have the lights there. And then, oh, there's one thing I want to show you. Look at this. This is so cool. There's two things actually. Okay, this works. Alright? So I think I'm gonna head over, okay? You ready? So it works. Look. Now I can cross. I'm coming your way. How cool is that? And then we can come over. This is a fully functioning phone. It works. For real. For real, it works. So be sure to have fun with that. The kids will love this stuff, I'm telling you. The teenagers I can see hanging out in here for real. I don't know, maybe the dads. Maybe even me. I like playing pool. Let's check out the games room. Watch your step here. Amazing games room and theater room combined. So if you guys want to come play games, it looks like we have an Xbox, we have a PlayStation 4, all kind of fun games. And I was playing this earlier. Oh yes. So they all work. And one question I always get is, Libby, do we have to pay for the games? No, you do not. All free play. All free play for you. So you can let your kids loose. And of course, great theater chairs so that you can watch movies. Great screen there for you. More games. There's so many games in here. Your kids will have so much fun on their vacation. Very nice. Okay, so we'll head on out. Watch your step. So again, I want to show you the bedrooms. Again, it is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath. Our first bed, we have 1 bedroom downstairs, so you can go on in there. That's going to be a king room. And you do step out on the balcony, and you do have your full bath as well. I think every one of these are in suites. So the 1 bedroom downstairs. So we're going to head upstairs. We're going to check out the other bedrooms. And here we go. So again, like I said, we are in the Reunion Resort. There's so much to do here. We are 15 minutes to Walt Disney World. So this is the perfect vacation spot for you here in the Reunion Resort. All right, so here's another king master. And you'll see what I like about this room too is you will have your own balcony. And you love the colors. I'm loving the mint green. Makes me want to go home and paint my walls. Okay. And then out here we have the loft area, little bar area. We have your TV, foosball. But look at these views, guys. Look at these views. I can totally see myself here in the mornings with my coffee. Watch your step. Ah, Florida sunshine. And again, you see those awesome views of the golf course. You can watch the kids having fun in the pool from here as well. This resort is absolutely beautiful. It's a great day. Okay, gonna head on in. Okay, so the kids' rooms. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and see one right now. So this is gonna be the Galaxy room. Look at the theming in this room. The owner has spared no expense. Love the theming. So you have an extra game. And these are gonna be 4 full beds. So you can actually get 2 people in each bed. But again, with the theming. It's great. How cute is that? That's what's so cool about our homes here in the Reunion Resort with Magical Vacation Homes. The theming that these owners do, I'm telling you, you're going to save money on Disney tickets because they're going to want to stay here instead of go to Disney. So you have a bath here. And then we have another king room. Enjoy. This room will have its own TV. Important. Okay. My favorite room that's coming up. This is the princess room. And, you know, this would actually probably be my room. But look at the theming in this room. How amazing. Look at the lighting. I don't know where he found this lighting, but it's amazing. Even the little, down to the little jewels. So these are going to be 2 full beds. And you can actually go up there if you want to check it out. You go right up the stairs there. It's amazing up there. And the chandelier. Your princess will never want to get out of bed. So again, if you are coming for a trip and you're going to visit the theme parks, and perfect house, perfect house. A little sitting area there. And the princesses on the walls, I love it. Did you see this? I don't know if you saw that. Look at that. Little girl's dream, absolutely. So, that's going to be it. Again, my name is Libby. I'm with Magical Vacation Homes. If you want to see this home, just go to magicalvacationhomes.com. The number is going to be RVH007, and you can book this house. As a reminder, right now we are running a special. You could get this home for 20% off in April, and you can get it 15% off in May. This house starts around $375 a night, so it's a steal for so much magic. So we'll see you next time. Have a great day, everyone.